Yeah, hello everyone. The reason I called is because Marites and I are thinking of celebrating Mom's 80th birthday. And at the same time, our family reunion. Long-awaited reunion to dahil yung pandemic talagang halos sinira yung buhay natin.
Is everybody gonna be okay with this? How about Ate Stella? Has
Yes,
it go?
mga kapatid. Wala
Good.
ng travel
Nice.
restrictions.
Uy, that's nice. Matutuloy na rin pagpunta ng mga bata. The kids will be very happy to see family after 5 years.
We are so excited to see you guys here, see each other.
Okay, yan mga kapatid. Wait a minute, do I need to tell Mom and Dad about our plan?
No. We will surprise her.
Okay.
Para hindi niya alam na darating si Stella. And we will prepare a big surprise party for her. But you will need to inform Daddy about our plans para makipag-ooperate sa atin. Alam mo yun?
How about the grandkids? Are they okay to render a song number or dance number? Yung mga friends nila, how about that?
Yes, of course. That will be nice.
That's great.
Okay. See you next month.
Alright.
Oh,
Hey, Ron!
hey, Mother!
Ay, kamusta? Bagay bisita tayo. Father Clarence on the house. Yeah, thank you po, Father. Nandyan pala siya.
Yes.
Sige, mga kapatid.
Alright, don't forget. Thank you. Oh, discount, syempre. Discount, yes.
Sige, bye.
Okay,
Hey, guys, we're all set. I'm so excited to see everybody